Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HighLevel pipeline stages and statuses, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate HighLevel pipeline stages and statuses, begin by logging into your HighLevel account. Once logged in, navigate to the Pipelines section located on the left-hand menu. Click on the pipeline you want to edit. In the pipeline editor, you'll see the existing stages displayed on the screen. To activate a stage, click on the three dots icon next to the stage name. Select Activate from the drop-down menu. If the stage was previously deactivated, it will now be active. To change the stage status, click on the stage name directly. You will see a prompt appear with options for editing. Adjust the status according to your requirements. Once done, click the Save button to confirm your changes. You can repeat this process for each stage you want to activate or modify. To see the operational effect of your changes, navigate back to your dashboard. Observe how the active stages now display the new statuses. Ensure that all team members are informed of these changes for smooth operations. Review the pipeline settings periodically to keep them aligned with your business needs. By following these steps, you will have successfully activated and managed your HighLevel pipeline stages and statuses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.